All right. Hey, children, the time now is 5:30. Let's not wait for them already. I don't like to wait for people. All right. They should be in earlier. As I told you, you should be coming in about 5 minutes earlier to chit chat with me and talk.
It's only
with me.
3 people though.
Yeah, it's okay. I think the rest will be coming in later. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. So children, so today, right, we will be doing a little bit of the revision. All right. So mainly we will be doing the revision related to whole numbers and all this. All right. But you all know that every time I start off, right, I will start off with an extra question. All right. Here is the extra question. All right. Please look at it. All right. Please look at it and tell me the answer in the chat. Go to the chat and key in the answer. All right, just a normal practice. All right, take out your paper and pencil. All right, do the workings and the final answer, go to the chat and type in the answer, please. Thank you so much. Okay, here comes Wen Xing. Hello, Wen Xing. Thank you for joining us. Hey, Wen Xing, today got one boy leh. So happy. Got one boy. So my name is Bern Ong, okay? It's not Bernice, huh? Right, today is Bern Ong. Yes. All right, sorry, Wen Xing, just showing my happiness. Can you please look at this question and try to attempt this question? All right, take out your paper, your pencil and pen, draw some model. All right, and try to do this question. When you get your answer, can you please put it into your chat? Thank you so much, Wen Xing. All right, my advice to you is to draw a model. I covered this question, something like this, in the master's class. Do you know there's a master class? A master class is a monthly class. Yeah. So that one is free. So you actually can go and listen to the class. All right, primary 3 and primary 4, we put them together. So the primary 3, you will learn a little bit more than what you're expected now. So it's actually a good class to go to. It's free some more. Right, but I never see y'all eh. So sad. Right, my normal supporter is not there. I'm so sad. All right, so we cover this type of question also in the master class. Oh, okay, come just try first. Give you all a while to wait for the rest to come in, those naughty children. Oh, my goodness. My nose, the nose thing come out. Disgusting. I'm so sorry. Anyone got the answer? Smarty got the answer. Okay, I don't want to wait for y'all. I draw a bit of model to help you, okay? Later you say that teacher never teach. Everything teacher never teach. Right? Okay. So don't angry. Let me draw a model first. Shiloh, you are close, but not the answer. Can you please check your working? I think you might have made a careless mistake somewhere. All right. I don't think that you guess, all right, but I think that is a careless mistake somewhere. Can you please check your working, please, Shiloh? All right, and please remember, right, in your test, right, you only got one chance of getting correct. Austin, no. All right, can you please try again?
I'm just looking at the model.
Oh, okay.
So if I see which part I got wrong.
Huh? So my model is correct, right?
Yeah, I know. I'm just seeing
Scary
what
me.
I got wrong.
Okay. Austin, I think you divide by the wrong number. I think you divide by 2. You shouldn't be dividing by 2.
Okay.
All right, so can you please check out the model? All right, so this is actually 1 adult and 1 child. All right, and what happened? And adult ticket costs $10 more. Woohoo! Why? Yeah. Because the adult is bigger in size. They breathe in more air. Oh yes, Austin, you're right already. Correct. So I was right? You divide wrongly. All right, you divide by 2 instead, right? Yeah, be careful, please. All right, that's why drawing model is important. All right, Austin got it right. Pom Pom, I saw your answer. No, but it's close. It's close, but it's not. All right, it's close. Good try. Okay, so now, right, after I draw the model, right, maybe your guys try again. All right, so Austin, let them try again. All right, be patient.
Maybe.
All right, so down here is actually 1 adult and 1 child. But the question says there's 2 adults and 2 child, right? So I'm going to draw another adult on top. Can? And another child below. Can? So total, right? Total there is 1, 2 adult. Total there's 1, 2 child. All right. So down here, what do you see? Okay, the adult obviously is the same price lah. All right, always like that one. How come we all adults have to pay more? All right, reason is because we breathe in more air. Not funny. Okay, never mind. All right, so this is the model, and this part is still the shaded part, which is the $10 extra. All right, so where is the $116? $116 is the total. Total is where? Total is down here. All right, so this is the total, which is actually $116. Is that okay? So, Pom Pom and Wen Xing, can I check with you? Do you know that this is actually the same size as this? Is actually the same size as this? Is actually the same size as this? Is it true that they are the same size, Wen Xing and Pom Pom? Wen Xing, is there a knot? Yes, I can see your knot. Thank you so much. And Pom Pom, I saw your knot also. So they are the same size, right? When they are the same size, I always like to put a little X. This X represents like the belly button. Okay.
What about belly button?
Yeah. Okay. So this X is like the belly button, all right? Because all our belly button the same size one. All right. So all of these represents the same size. Is that okay? The little X. All right. Represents the same size. Okay. So looking at this, right? Wen Xing, can I trouble you to give me the first step? What should I do with this portion down here? What should I do with this portion? Tell me. Right? You can go to the chat and type. Is it a plus or minus? Hey, Pom Pom. She disappeared. Oh no. Right, Wen Xing, is it a plus or a minus? How do we, handle the $10 and $10? What should we do? What should we do with the $10? If you can show me the steps, even better. Thank you. Go to the chat. Minus, okay? So we got to deduct away this $10. Very good, thank you. So this 116, right? We have to minus away the extra of $10 minus another $10. Wen Xing, correct or not? All right. So 116 minus $10 is 106. 106 minus $10 is 96. Where's Pom Pom? Oh no, she disappeared. All right. So 96 represents down here. All right. 96 represents down here. Just to let you know, follow the color coding. All right. This whole thing is 96. All right. So Shiloh. Woohoo. All right, Austin, you got it right, so I don't disturb you. Shiloh, so what do you do with this 96? 96 must do what? Shiloh, what's the last step? 96 must what? Just now, Wen Xing take the total 116, right? Minus this purple color portion already, so no more. And that will give you 96. So 96 is actually this blue color portion. So the last step is what? 96, what? What must you do? Shiloh? You're looking for one child, right? Looking for one of these only. So what must you do? Shiloh, do you have an answer? If not, I'm going to ask Pom Pom already. Okay, Pom Pom. So Pom Pom, just now you were missing a little while, right? This $96, right? Right, this $96, right? Actually represents this portion out here. Can you see my blue color? All right, so here comes the question. How do you find one of this? Pom Pom. What's the last step?
Divided by 4.
Thank you so much. Easy, right? So 96 divided by 4. All right, 96 divided by 4 because there's a 4 same unit. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are of the same size. So if they are the same size, you take 96 divided by 4. So 1 times 2 is a 8. 9 minus 8 is a 1. Bring down the 6. 4 times 4 is a 16. All right. Therefore, the answer is $24. And $24 represents a child's ticket. Is that okay? And that will be your answer. Understand or not? Shiloh, understand or not? Okay, Wen-Xing, okay, ma? Wen-Xing, okay, Okay, good. All right, and Pom-Pom, I saw your answer already. Thank you so much. All right, so again, children, if you draw the model, it's very clear. All right, so draw the model. All right, like this. Can or not? Okay, and Austin, just be careful. Right, divide by 4 instead of divide by 2, you're good to go. Right, but I think you never draw your model. That's why you never see properly. It's okay. All right, so next time you know what to do. Okay, children? All right, so moving on. This type of question, right, usually will appear in your final year exam. All right, the SA2 or the final year paper. All right, so it's better to introduce you some of these questions. All right, we touch and we go. Hopefully you can remember. All right, and ultimately is to expose you to more of such questions. Can? All right, where's Vanishnavi again? Always late. All right, so sorry. Okay, come. Next. Okay, this is actually the first question inside the worksheet. All right, this is actually the first question in the worksheet. Can I get Shiloh? I know you know answer, but I want to get Wen-Xing to answer. All right, the reason why. Okay, you can go and children, you can go ahead and write the working in the chat. All right, Austin and Pom-Pom, go ahead to write the working in the chat. But I just want to target Wen-Xing. Why? Because I saw her working. She did her homework long time ago. Not like the Shiloh and the Pom-Pom last minute. All right, before class start, then do your worksheet. But at least you did your worksheet. That's okay. All right, but Wen-Xing did it a few days ago, I think. All right, so I managed to see her answer. So Wen-Xing, can I ask you question 1, right? All right. Do you want to annotate or you want to type out in the chat or you want to speak up? You can, because I think you're a bit you're still a bit shy. All right, so you don't dare to talk to me. Not like Shiloh. Every time call me old man, old man. All right, that naughty girl. All right. So anyway, Wen-Xing, can you advise what should I do first? Then I will help you. Don't worry. What is the first step I should do when you look at this question? You can go to the chat and type. I will be waiting for you. Don't worry. All right, because now after the test really, so nothing pressure, no pressure. Okay, looking at this question, what is the first thing I should do? That's my question, Wen-Xing. You want to annotate? Okay, no, that's Pom-Pom, sorry. I saw Pom-Pom answer. Yes, Pom-Pom, you're right. Yeah, but I was waiting for answer from Wen-Xing actually. Austin, you can go to the chat and type out the workings also. All right, I'll be looking at them. Yes, Pom-Pom, your first step is correct and your answer for that part is correct. You might want to move on to the next step. Wen-Xing, oh yeah, very good. Wow, yes, Pom-Pom got it. All right, she showed me her exact working. Beautiful. Austin, why is the number 13? You mean the answer now is 13? No, that's so scary. Right, Shiloh also given me the answer. Yes, very good.
It's complicated.
No, it's okay, it's not. Wen-Xing, anything from you? Do you know how to do? If not, I can help you. You can just shake your head or nod your head. Okay, Wen-Xing? She's moving her eyes. So does it mean that she don't know or she knows? I'm also confused. Okay, so let me just help her lah. Wen-Xing, can I help you?
I want to help.
Okay. So let Shiloh help lah. Okay. Okay, so Shiloh, what's the first step I should do?
So So 8,480 minus